So let us revise the concept of search intent. This is critical for keyword research and also critical for SEO. We cannot do good SEO unless we understand what search intent is, because that enables us to create the right content for the user. So I'll be taking you quickly through 3 4 slides. These are the ones which were covered in class, so hopefully it will be easier for everybody to recall it. So we first start with what are organic results. So whenever a user is searching for something, in this case the user query is digital marketing agency, that is called a search query. Whenever any query is put, you might see certain results at the top, they are marked with sponsored. uh, these sponsored are the paid results. These we have already learned in Google Ads. The one which are highlighted in blue, these are organic search results. Uh, for these organic search results, you don't need to pay Google. It is a long-term game, and it takes some amount of time to start ranking at the top. You know? Now the question is, what is search intent? Search intent is what the user hopes to find, right? So if I'm searching for something, I have some query in mind, some idea about what kind of information I want. That is why I'm searching something, right? So we need to understand what the user is actually looking for. Based on that, create the content which hopefully will rank. Search intent can be categorized mainly into 4 large buckets. The first one is informational. It essentially is when a user has a specific question or problem in mind, or they are doing some kind of a research. For example, who is Julian Assange, or who is the, let's say, Biden, or football scores, or how to write a certain code, etc. All these are informational, right? You're seeking information, and you'll get websites which provide you with that information. Right? Then second is navigational. So navigation is you have a specific website in mind, right? So you want to go to Facebook, you want to go to Semrush or Twitter or whatever, right? So that is navigational. Commercial investigation is where you are looking for a particular product or service, right? You have not decided from which company you want to buy or which brand you want to buy, but you are still in the decision making phase. Just like best protein powder. So you want to buy protein powder, you don't know which one, you're probably looking for options. Or best gym near me, right? You don't know which gym you will join, but you are looking for some options. So this is commercial investigation. You probably want to uh, uh, buy that service or product, right? That is why you are doing that research. And the last one is transactional, where more or less you have decided what to buy. You have a specific action in mind, but you have not purchased it, right? So it's like buy MacBook Pro, then you're looking for website which are selling MacBook Pro, right? Or when I'm looking at last pass premium price, so I know I want to buy last pass, but I am just looking for better pricing. So that is transactional. This is the exercise which we'll be doing in the class, in the assignment, right? So we'll identify some keywords. This is Then what we'll do is we'll enter this keyword on the Google search. Then we'll try to understand what the user is searching for, what kind of intent they have. And if you recall, we did something called page type, page USP, and page format, right? So page type is an article coming, or is a category page coming. For example, in mobile phone, you'll see something like Amazon, where a category page of Amazon will come, right? But let's say if you put Samsung S21, then you will see the particular product page for Samsung S21, right? When I'm searching for digital marketing, then an article or blog is coming which is telling me about what digital marketing actually is, right? So that's a page type. So we have common page types are product and service page, category page, home page, or blog or article page. Right? Then it's a USP. So USP usually is what is the main selling point or main uh, uh, USP of that particular page, right? So when we're talking about digital marketing, it's a complete guide. If we're talking about mobile phone, then okay, you get the best price. Usually you can get the USP by looking at the title of the page or certain headlines of the page. And the last one is page format, that what is the format or overall flow of the page, right? So in digital marketing, it's providing a guide. So it is a guide format. It will be long format article which explains everything in a lot of detail, right? So when you're talking about digital marketing services, then they will list down the services which they provide and probably give some information. When we are talking about mobile phones, then they'll list all the mobile phones which are available. So popular format are how-to guides, tutorials, opinion pieces, reviews, and comparison.